Hi kids, my name is Dean, and today I will be showing you how to make a craft project in your kitchen using basic household items. Today we're going to make a bracelet or necklace out of beads and elbow noodles. Ready? Let me show you a few ingredients you may need for this. Some elbow noodles, fishing line, food coloring, a few beads, and a pot of water. For the sake of time, I've already boiled the noodles, and after the noodles came out, I put it in 3 different bowls to add food coloring to. 1 red, green, and blue. I then placed it in the sun for the noodles to go from being soft, from being boiled, to bite hard again, but now they had absorbed the color of the food coloring. So let me show you the results. There we go. So as you can see, we got a little red in there, some blues, some greens, and we're ready to assemble our bracelet. So after cutting a little piece of fishing line, I then grabbed a noodle and placed it in one side of the hole, pushing through till it came through the other end. I then added a bead. I continued this process, and I'm going to speed up a little bit because we don't have much time, until we had a very nice collection. Let me show you the results. This is our ending result. Oh, one pop. But it's all in fun. Have fun with it. It's beautiful. Tie you a knot at one end, and you have you a lovely ornament, bracelet, or even a necklace if you put enough on. Thanks, and have a great day.